How to use Jimdo.com easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video we're going to introduce you to Jimdo.com, which is a website builder platform that allows users to create and customize their websites with ease. It offers a user-friendly interface and drag and drop functionality, making it accessible for individuals and small businesses. Users can choose from various templates and design options to personalize their sites. Jimdo also provides hosting and domain services, simplifying the process of getting a website up and running. Overall, it's a convenient solution for those seeking to establish an online presence without extensive technical knowledge. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. You can see here the products that this platform offers: website, online store, domain, logo, Facebook and Instagram if you want to promote your business. We have here the inspiration, pricing, blog, features, help if you need any help or if you have any questions, and the login if you want to log into the platform if you already have an account. So before hitting start free to create our website, let's check the pricing first. So we click pricing. So as you can see, this is the website's plans. You have the unlimited, which is for $40 a month. You have the grow plan, which is $14 a month. We have the start plan, which is $9 a month, and the play plan, which is $0 per month, which is free. So let's see the online store plans. Here we have the VIP plan, which is $40 a month, business $19 a month, which is the best seller, and the basic, which is $15 a month. So let's go to website and let's choose the free one. So let's get started with the free plan. Here we can log in with our Google, Facebook account, Apple, or our email. So I'm going to log in and get back with you. So after giving them your email, you create your business website. What's your business idea? Tell us in 1 to 3 sentences. So I'm just to write a business idea in 1 to 3 sentences, and then I'm going to hit start creation. After giving a brief description of our business or our idea, we wait for them to create our website. So there it is, our website have been created. It's an AI website creator. So you can choose the colors you want, a warm and inviting color scheme that inspires confidence, and so on. You can choose this a vibrant and energetic color scheme that captures attention, conveys professionalism. Let's try this one. Let's see. I think I don't like it very much. Let's see this one. I think I'm going to stay with the first one. It suits me very good. So then let's hit finish. And we wait for it to load. So this is the domain that they chose for us. We have some other domains here. If you want to choose a domain now, you can just click and you can proceed to pay for the domain name. If not, you can just hit choose a domain later and then continue. And this is your dashboard. Here you can edit your website, you can design it, you can see the pages, domains, search engines, and settings. And here you can scroll to see your website just from this page, or you can change anything you want from here. You can also upgrade to a paid plan. And if you want to see your website, you just click preview, and this is how our website looks. As you can see, this is our website. Here it is. You can click get started, but it's not working for now. We haven't created any pages yet. We have just the home page. You can also, I forgot to show you, you can also see how does it look in the phone. So this is how it looks in the phone, as you can see. So it's a pretty decent website regarding that it's created in less than 1 minute by AI. So you can publish your website from hitting publish, and here you can play with the design. You can edit the color palette from here. You can create a palette from image, saturation. You can see similar palettes. You can choose any one of those, and if you're not satisfied with those, you can show more, and you can see and choose the one that suits you more. And here you can play with the font set. We're now going with Poppins Roboto. You can edit the font set from here, the font size, the font that you want. Here you can choose the shape of buttons. You can make it oval, rounded, and sharp. So let's leave it with oval. I like it more. Here you can choose the animations if you want none, or slide in, or fade in. So you can play with these settings and design your website the way you want it. And where you're done, you just click done, and all the editings will be saved. And here we have pages. If you want to create new pages, and when you create any page, you just click done. So let's go back to home. Done. Here you can see the design as we saw before. Let's go back, and here we have the domains if you want to buy your domain. So here you can upgrade your domains. Here we have the search engines. So we can see the search engines unless we upgrade to a paid plan. And here we have the settings if you want to change anything about your personal information. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.